So in this video, I'm discussing about the installation steps of Wamp server, or how to install the Wamp server on your PC. Okay, so first step is what? Go to the Chrome and type the Wamp server files and click on the Wamp server files. Okay, so I have already write it down, that is the Wamp server file. Or okay, I am clicking it over here. So this type of page is opening now. So now the second step is what? Download the Microsoft VC packages based on your system type, like it is a 64-bit supported or a 32-bit. Okay, so how you are checking that the system is supported, like which system? So go to the control panel and select or show the system type. Okay, the system type is what here? The 64-bit. Okay, my PC is supporting the 64-bit operating system. So I have downloaded this Microsoft VC packages. This given on the download link. This one. Okay, I have downloaded this all the VC redistributed packages for 64 bits. Okay, so I am going to show you that this all. Okay, says RAR file is downloaded already, so I am extracted that RAR file. So here I am extracting on particularly PHP folder . Okay, so this file is all this extracted, so you have to only install for 2010. Okay, this 2010 and this much. Okay, 2012, 2013 and 2019. You have to don't install the 2008 one. Okay, you have to delete that. So after installing this one, you have to download the particularly Wamp server file. Okay, based on your system type. Okay, I have already downloaded for 64-bit. The file size is 444 MB. Okay, so I have already downloaded that Wamp server file. Okay, so now I am clicking on that particularly downloaded file. They are going to ask me whether I want to installing it or not. Okay, so you have to yes, select yes. Now then after you have to select the languages, that is English. Okay, I accept the agreement. Next. Okay, particularly that Wamp server is installing on the C drive. Okay, here you don't have to select any options. Okay, by default whatever they are providing, they are already selected, so you don't need to select any option. Okay, next install. Okay, choosing the sublime text. Okay. So go to the next and finish your installation. And now clicking on that particularly Wamp server installed file. Okay, so here now you have to click on that particularly Wamp server folder. So down on the taskbar they are showing the option about the Wamp server like W. Okay, you have to start all services. Select all, start all services. Okay. Then after this particularly Wamp server is going to be what? The green. Okay. Whenever I am going to be clicking on that, this three option is given here. Start all services, stop all services and restart all services. Okay, so you have to select the start all services, the first option. Okay, then after your services are going to be started, and now you can run your PHP program on your chosen browser. Okay, so here the green option is given. My Wamp server is running now, my all services are running. So here the option is given that the local server, your all services are running. This is Wamp server particularly that is going to be a green. Okay, so my all services is started and you have to select the local server. So going to, whenever you are going to select that particularly local host. Okay, so this one is open, and now you have to copy that particularly PHP file in this particularly folder. Okay, so I have already created one file that is this example. Okay, so I'm copying this file and paste it on the Wamp server, particularly www folder. Control V over here. So now go to the browser and here you have to type what that particularly file name, that is what example. Okay, so hello everyone string, this message is printed. Okay, so I am going to open this file. the basic installation step of Wamp server in your particularly PC or a laptop, or how to run your particularly file on your particularly browser, selected browser. Okay, how to run that PHP file on a browser. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my video.